What's up, guys? How's it going? Here at Infinite Auto Sales today. There's some Aventador in the background riffing around, sounds amazing. We're gonna head down to Hydra Motorworks, our friends there, check out some cars, see what's going on. I think we're gonna take the Urus today. So we're gonna buzz on over there and yeah, check what's going on. We're trying to decide what car to bring. So.
Are you at the other storage?
G-Wagon not for today.
Okay, cool.
G-Wagon earlier, but not now.
Guy over there.
Got the big boss.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down. You and I, both longing for expression for the things we like. Tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go.
Turbos are loud.
Yeah, so on the ours, I got the aero kit. Okay. The extra wing, make them wider and bigger. Kind of.
Grow just like the flowers through the concrete. Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go.
Hey, thanks for joining us today, guys. We got a cool video tomorrow. Stay tuned for some more content. We're going to take our GT4 over to Orbit Racing and check them out. And yeah, stay tuned. We got a lot on the way. Peace.